Go to the Google, type Jira software login, then click the first link. Then you log in with continue with the Google. And click create account. Then you'll be landed with this page. Click accept all. And this is a home page. Then click these four dots which is present in the top left corner. Explore products. Then there is a Jira. So you just click try now. Again you continue with Google. Either your personal login or institute login. No issue. There is a website name, it will show you. Whatever default name it is showing, you just click continue. If you want to change, you can change. Here you choose any option. You can choose software development, product management, marketing, design, any option you can choose. Later also, after choosing initially, or later also we can change. Initially I'll choose software development. Then here we can select any option. Select all the options. Here it is your project name. Let's say Scrum demo, or you can any name you can give. Or we can leave it as it is. Default name also you can use it. We'll select all the options. Click next. If you want to add any status, you can add it here, or later also you can add it. Click finish. So after selecting Jira, this is a home page. Here left hand side you can see different option. Click space, or you can create a option called use the option called create space. So first we will create space. This is like creating a project name. Left hand side space templates are available. We can select software template. Then there are different options will come. Choose Scrum. Then click use template. And there are different options, team manager or company manager. You can use any option. We'll select company manager space. Here your project name can be typed. Let's say my project name is college LMS. So there is a key automatically generated in short form for understanding the project. So click next. Now you can click next. You can invite your team member here, or this is optional, you can do it later also. Click next. So this is a page we'll be getting. Now we are going to create epic, stories, then subtask. So go to the backlog. This is our Scrum board. In that there is an option called epic. Click it. Enable show epic panel. So you'll get a epic at the panel at the left hand side. Then click create epic at the bottom in the epic panel. Now we are going to create epic. So we have epic user authentication and account management. So type it in the summary, copy and paste it in summary and its description. Description also same. Leave it other fields blank. Click create. Now epic is created. Just to expand this epic, which is available in the epic panel. So you can see there are a lot of options. Then click create work item. So first thing we are going to create story. So our first story is user registration. This is actually user story name, actual story. This is short story name, user registration. Just to copy the actual story details into the description. Click create. First story is created. We'll create second story. We have second story user login. In the summary field, you type user login or copy and paste. Description, paste this actual user. As a user, I want to log in securely so that I can access my account. That is the second story name. Click create. So two stories. Now you can two stories available. You can see in under the backlog. We'll create third story. Third story is forget password. Short story name. Paste it in the summary. The long story details in the description. Create. Now there are three stories available. Right? Now the stories are to be converted into sprint. So this should be moved to the sprint. So story is nothing but description of the future. So this story should be converted into working piece. So it should be moved to the sprint only then this start working it. So just drag and drop in the story. So first story is moved to the first sprint. Second story moved to the under the sprint. Third story moved to the sprint. So all the stories are now moved to the sprint. Now click the start sprint. Sprint usually 2 to 4 weeks. You can leave it as it is. Later we can change it. So duration, if you want to change, you can change duration. Let's say default, will go with the default values. Click start. Now automatically the tab is moved to the active sprints. There you can see 3 stories under the sprint. Now stories are now available in sprint. Now we are going to add subtasks for the each story. Let's add subtasks for the user registration. Click the user registration. Click add subtask. Then we have subtasks for the user registration. Copy and paste it one by one. Then second subtask. Third one. Fourth subtask. So now all subtasks are ready. Just close this window. Now we can see for the user registration, we have different subtasks. User registration is our story. We have different subtasks. Design registration user interface, which is collecting name, email, password, confirm password, add input variables, and create backend API for registration, store user detail in database, send verification email, write unit test case. These are now all the stories and its subtask is in to do option, first status. Now it will be assigned, you can assign this subtask to the person. Okay, once after completing this subtask, now one by one it will be as once after assigning subtask to the team persons, they will be, it should be converted into in progress. So first task is moved to the in progress, second task moved to the in progress. Just click the third three dots, you can change the status. So you can see all the subtask of user registration now in progress. Okay, so this is how the scrum master will be verifying whether all the tasks have been taken by the team members or not. Okay, now all the process are all the subtasks are taken by the team members, they are working on it. So once the team member completing these subtasks, they will change the status one by one. They'll done. Second subtask. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, once every subtask is over and every other story subtask is over, they will create the complete sprint. So like that we can add subtasks to these remaining two stories, and the status can be changed from to do to in progress to done. So once everything is over, the Scrum Master will be clicking the complete sprint. You can click, you can choose some option, you can click complete sprint. That's all. Thank you.